In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating a big project, organizing your contacts efficiently can significantly streamline your workflow. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to start by heading over to monday.com. Simply open your internet browser and type in the URL, bringing you to the home page. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the login option. Click on that to begin the process of accessing your account. Next up, you'll be presented with login options. If you prefer a quick login process, you might want to select sign in with Google. Otherwise, you can manually enter your email address that you plan to work with. If you choose the Google option, you'll need to look for the specific email you intend on using and select it. This ensures you're logged into the right account, especially if you manage multiple ones. Now you're logged in, on the left side of your screen you'll find the Workspaces section. Next to this, there's a handy plus sign button. By clicking this, you can add something new like a board for your contacts. Once you've clicked the plus sign, look for an arrow-like icon beside boards. Hover your mouse over it to access additional options quickly. Once you're in, click on Start with Template. This is a time-saving and efficient way to get set up. But don't worry, it will still allow customization down the line. Head over to the search bar within the Template Center. This is where you can find the specific type of board you're imagining for your contacts. In this case, simply type in contacts. The search will bring up options, and you'll need to look for and select contacts. This template is specifically designed for managing contact information, and monday.com has made it quite user-friendly. Once you've clicked on it, go ahead and choose Use Template. Doing so will incorporate the pre-made template for your use. With the template now integrated, you can start adding in your contacts. This process involves filling out each section and the columns with the relevant details for each of your contacts. It's intuitive and allows you to have all necessary information at just a glance. And there you have it. You've successfully added contacts to monday.com, transforming a potentially daunting task into a smooth and organized process. This approach not only keeps your information organized, but it also enhances collaboration and saves you time in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.